Salut tout le monde, what's poppin', what's up? Hope you guys are doing amazing out there. I posted a picture on Instagram a couple days ago with a smoky eye and asked if you guys wanted me to film it, and a couple people said yes, and so here we are. So the first step in my makeup routine, especially when I'm doing a full face, is usually my eyebrows. I feel like they take me the longest because they don't exist. First thing I do is use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade instead of pomade, but pomade, and the brush is the 713 from her. I lightly dip in here like this. Very lightly, people. I literally gently do that, and that is my starting point. Like, I feel like if I had full-blown hairs right there, see, if I had full-blown hairs, they would exist. So don't panic. That doesn't, I mean, I know it looks crazy right now, but I just follow through like that. And then I go to the top and I lightly get the top, because that's the part that will for real look crazy. So I lightly get the top, and then I just follow the natural line to my eyebrow and what that looks like. So there is what the eyebrow shape will look like. And then I just lightly take the side. And it tones the big one. I draw hair strokes right here in the front to make it look a little more natural. Brush it out just like that. It took me a very long time to figure out what my eyebrows needed to look like for me, and so take the time to practice on your own eyebrows and practice what looks best with your eyebrows, because I was following tutorials and following how they did their eyebrows, so I would have their eyebrows on my face, and that just didn't work. So we'll do the next eyebrow. So once again, right here, and then you just follow through. Eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins. Okay. Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. Clean up our eyebrows, and I'm using the color 30 Cafe, and Maybelline is concealer. So I take out the concealer and I go on the top and just literally dab a little bit, and I try to wipe off as much as possible. I just try to get enough so that it's like literally a little bit on there. Put that back in. Woo. Okay, so be very light-handed and gentle, but I follow the line right here. See that? And go down. Y'all see that? And then I start right there and I take it down and blend. Blending is the key to makeup. Okay, pro tip. Blend. So then I just like drag it down as much as possible. Drag it down, clean it up, drag it down, clean it up. So a little more for the other eyebrow. Okay, so eyebrows are on. I'm gonna do foundation with a brush today. I love the one from e.l.f. It's actually the powder brush from e.l.f. Maybelline Super Stay in 356, which is warm coconut, and it don't matter what shade I use because I got a turtleneck on, so I don't have to match my neck. I'm gonna do one pump because that's all I typically need. Maybelline again. So what I like to do is start right here in the inner tear duct, bring it down on my nose, and then so I start on the bottom and work my way out like that. So we're going to take my Translucent by Laura Mercier, the powder. See that? I put my brush in there. And you're going to press that on. See that? It's still on there, but it's fine. It wipes off and you won't look crazy. I like to go on powder. Oh, I had powder. Y'all didn't even tell me I had powder all over me. Okay. We are going to go in with the OGs. This brush is so old. I don't even know where the rest of the set is, but I got it from BH Cosmetics literally 6 years ago. It's on its deathbed. Like 2018 is when I say RIP, but it's been the love of my life and the best blending brush I've had. I've literally had it for like, I got it when I was an undergrad. We are going to use, for the eyeshadow look today, we are going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. Mine is super old, like I've had it forever, but this is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's pointless to show y'all the top because it's old, but this one has all the colors, and I feel like other than like these two, maybe these four, the rest of them are like chocolate girl friendly, which is really exciting, which is why I got it. Key for my chocolate girls, when you are doing a smoky eye, you want to start off with a lighter brown, or like just a brown. It should be your transition color whenever you're doing a smoky eye. So we'll take this brown right here, and if I'm not mistaken, that color is called Chip. So this is Chip. Dab in there and then shake off the brush, and then you're gonna go in from here and you're gonna start on the outer and work your way up. See, that looks crazy. I know, it's okay. Just blend back and forth for your life. Blending is key. Remember, blend, blend, blend. I will go into this darker color or a black, depending on what you want. And just for the sake of you guys in a smoky eye, we'll go in with a black. Be very careful with blacks and not heavy-handed. So I literally dab a little bit and then shake off as much as possible. And then I start in my inner corner right here, and then I place it and work my way up. See how that just got darker than that side? Okay, so then I'm going to use the chocolate color and then tap that off and go underneath like eyeliner. So right in the waterline like that, like so. To bring some warmth back to my face and powder in the contour areas, we are going to use Blunt by MAC. And I've literally had this one, y'all, forever. So MAC products last forever. Like, I mean, I'm hitting pan right there, but they still last forever. And lightly dab in there and then brown up that area right there. See that color? While I do mascara and stuff, we are going to do some lashes. Some glue on your lashes so I can let them get tacky. So I'm gonna set that one right there. And the highlight we are gonna use today is the Master Chrome in 100. What? And I know a lot of people can't handle this, so I lightly tap in there. And I place it on the high point. So see how when I turn my head like this, the light hits right here? That's where I'm going to place it. So my current favorite is the Big Shot Maybelline times Shayla collab. Have I mentioned that Shayla is one of my favorites? Okay, so Jésus Christ. Key to putting on lashes is once you grab them, so I have an actual lash tweezer, and I usually pick up the one that I put glue on first, which is this one, and I get it in there appropriately like this. Blow on it a little bit. And so you have to look down and probably towards your nose as you put this on, and you're trying to get it as close as possible to your lash line, not on your lashes but above and over. And so I have to look down and then as low as possible. I keep looking down so I can stick it on. Love going dramatic. Y'all like that? So we'll put the other one on. And there you guys go. So that one's acting a little weird, but she'll act right here in a minute. So yeah, lashes on. My favorite lip liner is Chestnut from MAC. It's like my go-to, okay? And so I just literally follow my lip. It looks crazy like that, but then I pat, 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 pat. And today we're gonna use the Milani Rose Femme, and that is the color. Voila, on a fini. We are all done with this makeup look. You guys like that? That is how I do my eyebrows. That is how I do a smoky eye. And yeah, this is how I would wear this look. I love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any more questions. I'm really sad that I don't have anywhere to go. I'm just washing this off. How ridiculous is that? But it's okay. I'll take a couple selfies for the gram. Just a couple. If you're in the DFW and you need your braids done, hit up at the Braiding Ministry. She'll come to you. She's bomb and amazing and family. So yeah, support her. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, I think that's about it. Love this look. So fun, so cute. You can wear it for multiple reasons. And have fun with makeup. Don't take it so seriously. Do what works best for your face. If you have any other makeup looks that you would love for me to do, let me know down below so that I can do them for you guys and show you guys how I do them in my own twist on it. Bless somebody this week. It is the holiday season, so a little extra loving on somebody else doesn't hurt. Like, you can do the simplest things. Pay for someone's meal behind you in the drive-thru. Let somebody know you love their hair, you love their shoes, you love their smile. Hug somebody. Call somebody you haven't talked to in a while and just check on them and just say, hey, thinking of you. Whatever you got to do to make somebody feel special this holiday season. It takes 2 minutes and it's important to bless somebody else. Also, make sure you guys subscribe down below. Hello, subscribe. Trying to grow a channel here. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Shay la vie. Bisous. Ooh, that looked really angry. Please hold for this moment my whole life, okay? All the fake makeup tutorials I have with my friends on FaceTime, this moment right here, hilarious. Okay, so we're gonna use the Clean Slate Il fait chaud.